The historic Harwelden Mansion is located 23rd and Riverside. And when we did that renovation, actually a restoration, like the church studio, the Harwelden Mansion is a historic landmark. It was constructed in 1923, and we purchased it and converted it into an event center and a beautiful bed and breakfast. So we partnered with CounterTop Solutions and Greg Strange to help us with the counters throughout the property, mostly in the luxurious bedroom suites. And those are rentable. We are a bed and breakfast. And so we have countertops in the kitchenettes in each of the suites, but also in our restrooms. I love that he looks at the property and how you use it, but also that, the counters are part of the provenance of the building. So it's something that's going to be there for a very, very long time for the public to enjoy.